Here we have that p is 2 to the 4 times 3 squared times 11, and q is 2 squared times 3 cubed times 11. Express pq as a product of its prime factors. If p over q is 2 to the a times 3 to the b times 11 to the c, find the value of a, b, and c. If 1 over the fourth root of 8 cubed is equal to 2 to the n, find the value of n. So PQ is 2 to the 4 times 3 squared times 11 times 2 squared times 3 squared cubed times 11. So if we now group together all the ones that have base 2, so it's 2 to the 4 times 2 squared, 3 squared times 3 cubed, and 11 times 11. So these are all 2, 3, and 11 are already prime numbers. So we know that a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. So that gives 2 to the 6, so 4 plus 2, 3 to the 2 plus 3, and 11 to the 1 plus 1, which gives me 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 5 times 11 squared. Right, p over q will be 2 to the 4, 3 squared times 11, divided by 2 squared times 3 cubed times 11. Right, writing that out again over here. Right, using this rule of indices, that a to the m over a to the n, which is what we have here in 3 cases, is a to the m minus n. This will become equal to 2 to the 4 minus 2, 3 to the 2 minus 3, and 11 to the 1 minus 1. So that gives me 2 to the 2, 2 to the minus, 3 to the minus 1, and 11 to the power of 0. Now that's in the format that the question asks us for. We asked to put it into the format 2 to the a, 3 to the b, and 11 to the c. That means that a is 2, b is minus 1, and c is equal to 0. Now the final part, we've got 1 over the fourth root of 8 cubed. We've got to express it as a power of 2. So we've got 8 is equal to 2 cubed. So we'll replace 8 with 2 cubed. So we get 1 over the fourth root of 2 cubed, but we still have to cube that because we had 8 cubed here. Now using the rule of indices, it says that a to the m times to the power of n is the same as a to the m times n. So this will become 2 to the 3 times 3, which is 2 to the 9. So it's 1 over the fourth root of 2 to the 9. Now, if you take the nth root of a to the m, it's equal to a to the m over n. So this here will become 1 over 2 to the 9 over 4. And then 1 over a to the n is a to the minus n. So we just broke it into little steps. This will become 2 to the minus 9 over 4, because we were asked to write it 2 to the power of n. So therefore n is equal to minus 9 over 4. So this has been a video to show you how to use the rules of indices. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.